Ready? Alright, ready? Okay, ready?
Nate, reach for it.
This is why I bring Daddy to the park. All hands. Okay, ready? Yes. Don't move your head back. Okay, ready? Who's giggling? Okay, ready? Yes.
Put some effort into it.
Oh, you know what? You should get in my back.
Nana, what do you think about that?
I think it's funny.
I think if we were drunk and did that.
Do you mind? You gotta go back first. No, I don't look good. I'm like Cincinnati.
Like how?
This
This is some funny stuff here.
Okay, ready?
How am I gonna do this?
Okay.
Is this gonna hurt?
Oh! Ready? Oh, hey, your mommy used to do this. Reach your hands up. Here. Okay, ready? Wait.
Don't touch me.
I'm going to hold your feet up. Alright, you're done.
I'm trying to not.
Oh. Oh no! What? I can't even read it.
Put Angie on her back.
Yeah.
Jenny, can I get on your back?
Come on, try it again. I was gonna hold the bottom of your feet so you can stand up.
All right, one more try.
Ready? Okay, hold on. Here.
Oh my goodness.
All right. Oh.
Reach though.
All right, let's help.
Okay, you ready?
All right.
Two hands.
I'm gonna kill
Okay,
you.
reach your hand. Reach up. Oh, there you go.
I can't get rid of it.
You totally can. I'm not gonna drop you.
Here, do it.
I'm
You
not
can do
gonna
it.
drop you.
Oh, there you go.
Back.
There you go. Oh, there you go.
Two hands.
Yes.
Ready? Woo!